Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka jinga trailang kadai kadak jong ka jinga sngotu jingmut. Menteri rangba ka jela konrad sangma hanin gasngi ka arpu pratarik unaitung arhajar arpuai. Ulahyar sha Southwest Castle Hills District. Bat hagani ka jing lek Jngoh jungu usyam ba kishnong kitau ki yatali melon nakabanta ka jing mentoy jong ki pajba. Ha ka jing pli ka jingking yat kejat. Hashnong jasyar Menteri rangba ulapan pau ka jing snokmen ba kishnong kia trailang. Kum kadak ban ai buram ya ka jinga trailang jungki. Menteri rangba ulakular ban mang pisa nakabanta ban tungding ha kishnong marshilong parro ban pen Itynnad ya ka rock garden. Habai keren bat uba Renik, habai day bat kani ka rock garden. Na kaliang gujong ulayatu ba kani ka rock garden kalong ka ba Itynnad ba bat kadon kumba lai lan isau akar ka Jaka ka balatap da umau sudah. Bat na kaliang jong uba Renik ulaong ba unbuddin ya kani ka jingkular jong menteri rangba ban pen Itynnad ya kani ka Jaka. Laga day ban shna ya ki lenti yat kejat ki ba haban yat napo jong ki mau ni ki jingking ki ban kiu sajrong ki mau ban yat lang ba na uway umau sya uway pan. Na kaliang menteri rangba ru ulakular ba unmang pisa kerpang na kabenta kani ka rock garden kenang ba kan long ka Jaka Jngoh kai pertai kaban kring ya ki way pat. Ula ongru ba kani kadak jong ka jingeteli kalong ka nuksa kababha na kabenta ki way pat kishnong.
Nyui ka jingeteli lang ya ka sembol jong ka jing ya suku jengmut jong kini ki lai teli ki bisi baru ong ba ban award ya kini ka jing le bah jong ki lai teli ki bisi. Hadir ya kebakil submit ya ke memorandum ban pan fon ban ong ban ai pisa ban pak thong ding hak tu Jaka ki balai ki bom dending hak tu snong masilong nang tak kila bu ru ya kuwi ka memorandum tak ka ong ba ki kwa ban penkela ban yok pisa ban develop ya kata ka rock garden kadon kuwi kelum kebatap ka mau sudah mendani ikang do mau sudah kumbal lai akar saw akar jinghe area kadon karnap lum kebatap tan ki mau ke bahaya ya ke bangar malayo ban keren sosiam malayo ban ai proposal ban develop ini ti ila akri menen hukum kadak jong kajing ban award ya kene jing la bah jing lai ti ligi sno akabaki pan iyo ya kamesim juga jinghe trelang barisna ya kene ka footbridge ila kular ban ai scheme ban patung ding bat kumjuro ban ai bisa langi patip karno kan kam ila keli ngam ban Renik karno kan kam ban sna ya kene ka ban develop ya kene ka rock garden mala shu ai ka mau tentatively try san tholak te kala la kalau jigerku dang yo san tholak ban sna ya kene ti na krum du kini mau habaki kenduk lung we mau berpat don tlu sna lati nang tabat senar iki footbridge ban yat na uwi umau har uwi pat umau nang tabat senar ki railing ha ka ba ki breu ha ba ki yat dan tiu sejorong ki mau kinam ur kinam hap te kan long ka ba Itynnad hadu kata-kata rengila ban penlongkam bisa ya kata ka rock garden chief minister ulah menjur ya kata ru na ong ba yang sapha ya ki expert na po tourism ki engineers kan yo snai ka setengah te hawat nak lagi aku nong nikmat ru yo ka dokatan kan ya budin ya kata ban persang ban penolong ya kini ki jing ya keren ya ki komitmen nak bakal yang cuba start
the rock garden that our honorable MLA has been very passionately talking about. I want to assure the village people out here that I will, through tourism department and through soil conservation and forest department, take up both the projects. So we will send our people to come and do the entire assessment because we don't know how much fund will be required, but whatever fund is required, I assure you that I will give from the state governments and the department side to ensure that both the forestry as well as the tourism sector are taken care of, simply because I am very, very excited to see the way all of you have combined together and taken the initiative to make this happen. It's a great example, and as a small gesture of thanking you and appreciating what you have done, I will be giving both the programs, both the schemes from the government side for the tourism as well as for the forestry. The last point which I want to make.